Hello, last week I talked about asking critical questions. This week I want to get the ball rolling with some of the observations I've heard over the years, and that's the fact that mankind hates its kind. That's crazy. You know, mankind is a species that really don't care about its kind. We love the fishes in the sea, we love the birds in the air, we love nature, we love trees, we love nature. We even go to an extent to conserve these wildlife and preserve these lives in the sea and all that, but we don't care about the next neighbor if he's hungry or not, do we? Now, we don't like ourselves because there is a problem somewhere and I know the solution and I'll tell you the solution. But before we solve a problem, first we need to identify the problem and we need to go to the fundamentals and the basic and find out the principles that could be applied to solve this problem. Now we have two laws. We have the universal laws or natural laws and divine laws. These are two standard laws across the board. Now, natural laws or universal laws are laws that keeps the universe, intact. Example is gravity. Gravity is a universal law. The gravity of Earth is different from the gravity on the moon, but it's the same gravity, but it varies in space and time. You know, the the laws, the universal laws are not so constant. They vary, but divine laws are constant across the board. Do you understand? Now, the truth is, we go to school to study natural laws and universal laws. So we go to college, we study about this, and we put a lot of time to study about these things. Natural or universal laws are very, very hard to manage, very hard to manipulate, very hard to maneuver, very, very hard. It takes a long time to really master how to maneuver this stuff. And at times we don't even really get how to do that. Even the best pilots still have a challenge in handling some stuff up there in the sky, you know. And it really takes a while to master these natural laws. These natural laws were not made for mankind. They were made to keep things in space intact. Do you understand? Divine law was the laws that are made for mankind to live in peace, to live in harmony, to love each other. One of the divine laws that we've not really taken cognizance of is love, kindness, peace. These are laws. We are not really taught about these laws in school, are we? I'm not sure about it. I'm not sure. I was never in a class when a lecturer came and said, "Today we're going to talk about love." Think about it. But someone comes. I was in a class and our lecturer said, "Today we want to talk about simultaneous equation. Algebra, calculus, all the stuff. They teach us about natural and universal laws, gravity. They teach us about these things. They don't teach us about divine laws because they don't know, do they? Now, these divine laws are the laws that keeps humanity together. When I love you, I'll take care of you. When I love you, I wouldn't hurt you, would I? When I love you, I will care for you. But because I don't love you, that's why I can point a gun at you. Do you understand? So when we begin to break divine laws, we are out of tune with who we are supposed to be. We hate each other because we break divine laws. When we don't keep divine laws, it means that we are out of tune with who we are. We cannot communicate as mankind to mankind. Do you know that lions don't eat each other? Do you know that tigers, they don't eat each other? Leopards, antelopes, animals, they don't eat each other. Only mankind can gone. Why? Because we don't keep divine laws. So divine laws are made for mankind to be together. Natural laws are made for the universe and the nature to be intact. Do you understand? Now, it it means that when I hate you, I'm an outlaw. I'm not keeping the law, am I? Do you understand? It also means that when I am not in peace with my neighbors, it means I'm an outlaw because I'm breaking divine laws. When you start breaking divine laws, you are out of tune with mankind. So could it be that those who are not really in tune with divine laws are lawbreakers, are those who are really, messing things up? Now that brings me to another point, that if we want to make this world a better place, actually we need to start being respectful of divine laws and natural laws. Natural laws we are meant for us, though we learn them, we study them to master them. But divine laws, you are the ones that was made for you and I to live together. I believe you become a law-abiding citizen by obeying natural and divine laws. And until next time, I bounce.